So this time we've got a bigger system of inequalities. So you can see there's three statements. It's really kind of like four inequalities, but I'll go through that. It's really not as hard as it looks, but anyway, they have bigger systems and you can do what's called linear programming to work with those. And that's in 5.6, but we're not going to cover 5.6 this semester. Um, so that you know, we're not going to do that section. So if you were all excited about that, sorry. Okay, now let's look at what we have here on this problem. We have an inequality right here at the top. X minus y is less than 2. So let's think about that one. X minus y equals 2. I think we did this a minute ago, but we'll do it again. So I'm going to put it in slope-intercept form. Y equals x minus 2. Okay, so I can graph that. I know it's a line. It's going through at -2 at slope of 1. I do have to know, is it solid? Oh, it's dotted. So it's going to be a dotted line. And then I want to know, is it, which side is on, you know? So x minus y is less than 2. 0 minus 0 is less than 2. 0 is less than 2. True. Okay, so I'm going to say 0, 0 works, and that means it's everything over here. Okay, now, hopefully that makes some sense. That was a linear inequality, so we've done a few of those in this section. Okay, now this middle part, this part may seem a little odd to you. I'm going to go ahead and do that in red. This will make it stand out more. But it's really kind of saying two things. It doesn't say anything about y. It says x is greater than or equal to -2, less than 4. So you're just looking at the x-axis here. So x is between -2 and 4. So where's -2? Right here. And that is a solid line. Why is it solid? Because of the equal to part. But then x is less than 4. So where's 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's right here. It's a dotted line because it doesn't have the equal to part, right? Okay, so this one's solid. And this one was dotted. And we're talking about all these x values in here, in between. Okay? All right, so it's getting kind of messy, but that's what that statement says. It says that we want all the points whose x values are between -2 and 4. So think about all your ordered pairs out there. We want the ones where x is greater than -2 but less than 4, or equal to. It could be equal to -2. Okay, then we've got one more statement right here. Y is less than 3. Now that's a horizontal line. Y equals 3. So this is horizontal. It mentioned the other one was vertical, but 1, 2, 3. So a horizontal line right here. It's supposed to be dotted, and I have all this work. Okay. I'll just start making it dotted. Okay. Maybe I can carefully, very carefully erase some of that. And erased it. Okay. Nice. Okay, and we want y to be less than 3, so we're talking about, now how am I going to draw this? Well, I want these ones, right? Okay, so you kind of have to think about what have I got going on here. Red line, those are vertical. Okay, so I know I'm in that section. And then somewhere I have this dotted line. Okay, and I'm above the dotted line, but I'm below this dotted line. So do you see this section? It's right in there. And yeah, highlighter might help, or different colored pencils might help. Something might help. Okay, so maybe it goes down here a little bit more. Okay, that is how you do it. Then it's a little bit messy because we had so many lines, but you'll find a way to do it. Okay.